The Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, has reaffirmed the commitment of the Nigerian police force in securing the country's critical assets, particularly in the Niger Delta and other oil-producing regions. The IGP gave the assurance when the House of Representatives Committee on Petroleum Resources paid a walking visit to the force headquarters in Abuja. He said the police will continue to work closely with relevant stakeholders, including the National Assembly, the military and regulatory agencies, to dismantle criminal syndicates sabotaging the petroleum industry.
Units supporting welfare of our officers deployed for the protection of critical infrastructure. Distinguished members, safeguarding downstream oil and gas infrastructure is not just a security mandate, it's a national economic imperative. Every facility protected represents preserved revenue, job security for Nigerians, and the stability of fuel supply across the country.
Egbetokun also highlighted ongoing reforms within the force aimed at boosting operational efficiency, strengthening intelligence-led policing, and enhancing rapid response capabilities in vulnerable communities across the country.
The protection of critical national infrastructure, particularly within the petroleum sector, is a responsibility we take with the utmost seriousness. These assets are not mere installations. They are the vital arteries of our national stability. They are critical to our energy security and our public welfare.
Earlier in his remarks, Chairman of the House Committee on Petroleum Resources, Upstream, Ikenga Imo Ogochinyere, said the visit was aimed at deepening interagency cooperation to curb crude oil theft, pipeline vandalism, and other forms of economic sabotage, strengthening the nation's petroleum sector.
We want the body to continue to provide security for the regulatory body to ensure that activities related to adulterations are properly addressed. Inspector General, sir, in further strengthening this collaboration, we respectfully propose the establishment of a special petroleum downstream desk within the Nigerian Police Force headquarters.
The committee assured the IGP of legislative support to strengthen security frameworks through adequate funding, oversight, and policy measures to enhance the protection of upstream investments. CNN News.